Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some Christmas lights, and these are the, what is it, FTEOYEL. I don't know how to pronounce that, if it even is a word, but it's LED fairy string lights, and these are like a bottle decoration. You can stick them inside a nice glass bottle. But I'll show you guys what it looks like here. And it comes with a pack of 6 of them in there. So this is one of them here. So let's check it out. And these ones should be colored, so I'm curious what these are going to look like. Let's see. I've got it tied up a little bit here. Let's see. Okay, well, this is going to kind of be it here. They're going to string out. And now I have a nice long string of them. So let's try this here. Let's see. We open it up. And lucky for me, I got a couple of AA batteries. Ooh, these are cool. Okay, so let me close it up here and I'll show you guys in a second what they look like. If I can close it. Okay, so there it's closed. Okay, so this is the string here. So you can see this is what it looks like. And watch, when I go on, this is on the first mode and it's just flashing. And then I can do it on the second mode and it just stays on. And it looks like these ones here are kind of, I don't know, blue and yellow maybe? I'm colorblind, so I can't tell. I think they're just 2 different colors. But this is a really nice looking little string. Looks like this one here has a little tie in it. So let's untie this. There we go. And there. So it looks like it goes, I don't know, 2 blues, 2 yellows. But pretty cool looking little string. It's pretty long. Look at that. So if you stuck this inside a bottle or something like that, it would look really cool. So, and you could even leave it on the flashing. You could put all 6 of these together and it'd be quite a set. So super cool. So that's this one here. This is the LED fairy light string. So super cool. Thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.